If you want to enable sound notifications on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and we want to go to Accessibility. Now, over here in Accessibility, we're going to go to Hearing Enhancements, and then we should be able to find Sound Notifications. Now, over here in Sound Notifications, we should be able to go to Open Sound Notifications. We have this welcome message and we're going to tap on Next. Then we can choose sounds that should be detected by the phone. Of course, you can exclude a couple of these options if you want to, or you can just leave those that you really want to be informed about once your phone detects them. And then we're going to tap on Turn On. Of course, we need to allow the app to send you notifications because this is how it works. When a sound is detected, then you receive a notification. And that's all you have to do in order to enable sound notifications. Of course, we can go to the listening option over here in order to once again choose sound types that should be detectable by the phone. Leave a like and subscribe.